everyone. Recently, I purchased this high-sensitivity pulse oximeter and heart rate sensor module. These modules can be used to measure heart rate and blood oxygen level. So, in this video, I'll make a simple USB heart rate monitor using Arduino and MAX30102, pulse oximeter and heart rate sensor module. There are many types of heart rate sensor available in the market. But, currently, I have only MAX30102 and MAX30100 pulse oximeter and heart rate sensor. The MAX30102 is an integrated pulse oximetry and heart rate monitor biosensor module. It includes internal LEDs, photodetectors, optical elements, and low-noise electronics with ambient light rejection. While testing, my module was not working. After removing these 3 SMD resistors, it started to work. This is the diagram. Now, I'll connect everything by following the diagram. Now, let's see how to program it. At first, I'll open Arduino software, and open an example sketch named, Example 5 Heart Rate, from SparkFun MAX30100X Pulse and Proximity Sensor Library. Install this library, if you don't have this library installed. After uploading, I'll open the serial monitor, and set the baud rate to 115,200. Now, I'll put my finger on the sensor, and check if everything is working properly. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. And yes, the sensor will provide a stable result when you'll put your finger on the sensor properly. But, if you shake or move your finger, the sensor will provide unstable or wrong result. Thank you for watching. Stay innovative.